Hey guys, welcome into For the Low, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics and where all of our equipment is SpenCertified. Today I've got a Toshiba DVD recorder with HDMI 1080p upconversion to show you. The model number of it is DR420 This is awesome for recording your favorite TV show while you're gone or just transferring from VHS onto DVD. But let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have a video input right here. You have composite and S-video as well as your audio input. And then right here you have composite audio video output, component output, and S-video output. And then for the highest quality playback, you'll have HDMI output right here and coaxial digital audio for connecting to a sound system. And this was manufactured in October of 2009. And then on the front panel of it, you have your power button right here and eject button. And then if you open this door, you have your skip forward, skip backward, stop, play, and record buttons. And then over here you have another line input for recording. You have the option of S-video, composite, or you can connect a camera using the DV input and record from that. All you have to do to connect it for playback is connect your power cord and then the HDMI cable to the rear panel. And then once you have it all wired up correctly, you'll get a signal to your TV. So we'll go ahead and just test the standard DVD playback real quick. Alright, so as you can see, the DVD has loaded fine, and this is the original remote control for it. It's got all your functions on it, and it'll make it really easy so that you can just record whenever you want to. But now that we have the playback, let's go ahead and test the recording on it. And this machine will do, it'll do plus or minus R or RW discs. We're going to use a minus RW disc, and the difference between R and RW is R is record once, and RW means rewritable, which means you can record as many times as you want. So the RWs are good for recording TV shows that you plan on deleting, and then the Rs are good if you're transferring from another media and trying to archive it and save it. Alright, so once the disc is loaded, we can push setup, or first we'll hit stop, and then we'll do setup, and then we'll go to DVD menu, and then we'll format the disc. This will allow us to begin recording onto it. And we're going to record from a VCR onto the DVD just to demo it. And then to get something connected to it so you can start recording, all you have to do is connect one end of the red, white, and yellow cable to the input on the DVD recorder, and then connect the other end to the output of your other device, which is a VCR. And then once it's all connected, we can go ahead and put a VHS in. So now we've got the VHS playing back through the DVD recorder. So all we have to do to start recording is just push the record button down here. And it's automatically set to record in SP mode. So whenever we're done recording, we can just hit stop and end the recording, or we can wait until the disc fills up, which it will hold 2 hours on this one. So once you're done recording what you want to record and it's finished loading it onto the disc, you'll want to make sure that you finalize it. If you don't finalize it, The disc will not play in other players, so all you have to do that is hit setup, go to DVD menu, and then finalize. That's pretty much all the basics of this Toshiba DVD recorder. But if you're looking to order one of these, make sure you get it from us at fortheload.net. You can give us a call to order, or you can get it on our online store. Thanks for watching.